So basically I arrived 2 days ago to Istanbul airport. There were 4 people who greeted me at the airport. We then got a private car back to the 4-star hotel that I was staying in for 2 nights. I had some dinner and then rested up for the next day, which was the day of the transplant. The process was a couple of hours, then we'd have a short break, another couple of hours and a short break. So we started around 10 AM and then finished around 4 PM, so not bad at all. The process was pretty much pain-free. The surgeons were absolutely brilliant, working very hard, and I'm absolutely delighted with the outcome. So that was yesterday, and today we've just been out for lunch, and now I'm about to get the private car back to the airport. So. For me, it was just a perfect experience for something that I really wanted to have done, and I'm very glad that I found Estepera.